Take a breath, slow it down. You're safe right here, you're on solid ground. The world may spin, but you can stay right here in peace today. You've carried storms inside too long. Try to be brave, try to be strong, but healing starts when you release, when you give yourself permission for peace. The past can rest, the hurt can fade. You're learning grace in your own way, and every tear that fell before was just your soul